There is a stockpile of impurities within us that is creating hindrances in our success. That is why people tell me, Swamiji, I try, but the mind becomes distracted. Why is it getting distracted? Because there are impurities. It's a fact. Technically, you can achieve success in a day. Just surrender. But factually, it takes time because of this mountain of impurities in the inner world. Now we say I should succeed in a day. 2-minute dhyanam. Once in Calcutta, it was advertised. It's an old story that we will do 3-minute dhyanam. In 3 minutes, you will get dhyan. So everybody, this is the age of the instant coffee and Rapidex English. Everybody said, wow, 3-minute dhyanam, this is what I want. So people reached there by the thousands. Now when there was such a huge crowd, it could not be controlled. So the police had to be called to prevent the stampede. And in order to control the situation, the police had to do a lathi charge. So the dhyanam did not take place, but the danda definitely took place. So our fascination for shortcuts and quick fixes, we must understand the reality. It is a process and it will be accomplished one step at a time. Don't be discouraged. Keep on doing it. Rasari avat jaat hai, silte hot nishan, karat karat abhyasate, jadmati hot sujan. In the well, there is a rope made of grass. But that moving of the rope repeatedly cuts a groove in the stone edge of the well. So just like grass can cut stone, karat karat abhyasate, through practice jadmati hot sujan, even a dull intellect becomes wise. So in order to destroy these impurities, Maharishi Patanjali talks about tapasya. For tapasya, I have used the word here mortification. Mortification in the translation means to mortify means uska daman karna, to control. All the saints mortified the senses and the mind. Swami Ramteerth was attached to apples. The apple would make his mouth water. So he said, I must mortify my senses. He kept the apple there and he kept looking at it, doing his things, checking it again. 3 days went by, the apple became soft, he's still looking. 6 days went by, it started drying up. 8 days went by, it started rotting, smelling, stinking. And he tells his mind, my dear mind, look at this apple. Is this the apple that you are attached to? It is just a lump of mud. So this kind of force the saints used, hut, to mortify the senses. Ramakrishna Paramahansa, he had a weakness for money. So he used to take money and do taka moti, taka moti, taka moti. He would go on taka moti. Money is mud, money is mud, money is mud. He is mortifying his mind. In Greece, there was a saint called Diogenes. Diogenes was actually the guru of Alexander. It is said Diogenes used to live in a barrel. And Alexander, before going, for his world conquest, Alexander the Great, he went to receive the blessings of Diogenes. So he asked Diogenes that, I am Alexander the Great and I wish to go and conquer the world. Diogenes said, if you were truly great, you would not have said that you are Alexander the Great. The fact that you are saying it means you are not great. And nobody can conquer this world. You will never succeed. You will die in the process. That's exactly what happened returning from India. Alexander was so exhausted, he died. But this Diogenes, look at his mortification. He used to go before a statue and cry, give me alms, give me alms, give me alms. Somebody said, you're asking a statue? What is going on? He said, tomorrow I'll have to go out into the market. And when I ask people for alms, they will insult me. So before that, I am preparing my mind. I am mortifying my mind. This mortification removes the impurities. Maharishi Patanjali says, I have told you the various mortifications, the yam and the niyam. Be truthful, don't steal, don't hoard, be celibate, be contented. All these are the yam and niyam. Through their practice, your impurities will finish. See, through practice, even animals get trained. In India, a few years ago, the farming was done with the bulls. Tractors were rare. Now those bulls are very obdurate creatures. How do you train them to walk line by line? The first day the farmer would put the plow on the calf, the male calf, the calf would jump. What is this you have put? Until now I was running around. I have not been born for this kind of a thing. So the farmer would tie it between two calves, a long log, and let them run. The calves would run and run and run and run, and after a few kilometers they would become tired. Then they would walk normally. And the farmer would make them do this practice for 10 days. And slowly they would understand this is how we should walk normally. After that, when the farming would be done, you see in India, they would match the line by line, the bulls, and do the farming. Such precision even human beings can't do. From such wildness, they mortified them to such discipline. The animals become disciplined. The monkey is disciplined. And the monkey is such a wild creature. But the monkey trainer, he ties the monkey in a rope of 100 feet. So the monkey jumps around when he wishes to cross the 100 feet periphery. The rope squeezes its neck, so monkey thinks, oh God, I have to remain in 100 feet. The next day, the trainer reduces the rope to 50 feet. Now the monkey tries to go beyond 50 feet and the rope presses its neck. The next day, he reduces to 30 feet, and then finally, when it is 3 feet, the monkey says, Baaz aaye kahin jaane se, baithe raho, it's better to sit here peacefully. Like the monkey are our mind and senses. And Maharishi Patanjali says, through this mortification, you will purify the impurities and learn control over them.